Biogas is a mixture of gas which contain mainly methane, which is produced by the microbes such as methanogens. Methanogens grow anaerobically on cellulosic material and produce methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. Methanobacterium is found in the anaerobic sludge and rumen of cattle for cellulose digestion. Biogas is used for cooking and lighting. Cattle dung gobar contain these bacteria, so this dung is used to produce gobar gas. As you can see that two peoples, they are adding a cow dung so as to produce biogas, and the cow dung contain the bacterium methanobacterium. Now what is the use of that? See what happens in the second diagram. What is the diagram being shown is the biogas plant where the biogas is being produced. A concrete tank is there which collects the waste, dung plus water. Dung plus water forms a slurry, and a floating cover is placed over the slurry. You can see, in this diagram, okay, which keeps on rising. You can see over here that sludge is being produced, and at the top you can see the gas is being released. Okay, so that is the outlet. Now what happens in this is, listen carefully, you in the next diagram also, the technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly by the efforts of IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, and Khadi Village Industry Commission, KVIC. Already several thousands of family sized biogas plants and several hundred of community gas plants are in operation in India, which is used for cooking, lighting, for power, for running tube well. And the spent slurry of biogas plant is used as a manure. It is used as an organic fertilizer. So this biogas is eco-friendly. It is pollution-free source of energy, and it also minimizes the chances of spread of fecal pathogen. Okay, and it is a storable form of energy which can be used when required. Now coming to this diagram, biogas plant, what can we see, what is the method being used over here is that the cellulose, whatever is produced in the rumen of the animals. Now biogas generation, what is being done here is cattle dung, soil and other organic waste, they are mixed. So you can see in the first, dung plus water is mixed, and then that goes into the digester tank. Then the process starts. In the first, anaerobic decomposer microbes, they break down the complex thing into soluble, and then they produce the with the help of the enzyme cellulase, protease or lipase. In the By the help of these bacteria, they convert the organic acid by the methanogenic bacteria to produce biogas. And biogas is the combination of methane plus carbon dioxide. Biogas collects in floating gas holders which keep on rising, and it is also, these biogas holders are connected to the pipes to the house where the gas can be used for cooking, lighting and for electricity. So in this case what happens is that there is an outlet to supply biogas and outlet to remove the slurry, and that slurry is used as a fertilizer. Okay, so this is all about microbes in the biogas production.